Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the types of functions, right? So today we'll be discussing on keyword arguments, right? So let's get into the definition part here. So this one, keyword arguments are arguments passed to a function with a key, nothing but the parameter name and value pair, right? So keyword arguments are the arguments passed to the function with a key and value pair. They improve readability and allow out of order arguments if parameter names are specified. Again, I'm telling they improve readability and allow out of order arguments if parameter names are specified, right? So let's go with a very simple example. You'll understand this one clearly. Before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing here. So when calling a function, we can specify arguments by name. We can specify arguments by name. Basically, it makes it easier to understand what each value represents. So this also allows skipping optional parameters or rearranging arguments if needed. So this is the main advantage. So just listen to this carefully. When calling a function, we can specify arguments by name, making it easier to understand what each value represents. This is fine. So this also allows skipping optional parameters or rearranging arguments if named, right? So this is the main advantage or pro, right? This is one of the pros of making use of the keyword argument. So let's get into the example quickly, right? So I'll just consider a very simple example here. I'll just go with def greet. So let me go with two parameters. Keyword parameters, nothing but name and message, right? Name and message. So we have to use colon here. So let me print something here. Print. So I'll just go with name. Just give me a second here. Just go with name followed by parameter name, right? So this is nothing but the keyword parameter name. So again, let me go with print again. So this one, let me call let me give message within the strings and let me call the keyword parameter or the keyword argument message here, right? So this is it. Next, what shall we do? I'll just call the function here greet and let me give message something, some message. So I'll just give here welcome to the Python or welcome to Python. So that is not required here. So let me remove this one. Welcome to Python is enough, right? So welcome to Python. So also let me pass one more thing. Let's pass name as well. Name, let me give here Bharadwaj. So this one will be Bharadwaj. This is fine. This one is gonna be Bharadwaj. So the output that we need to get here is welcome to Python Bharadwaj, right? So here this parameters keyword parameter consists of Bharadwaj name and this keyword parameter is assigned with the string welcome to Python, right? So we have to get the message, we have to get the output welcome to Python Bharadwaj, right? So let's see. First of all, I want to tell you one thing here. Def greet whatever name and message I have passed here, this one. So basically this defines a function greet with two parameters. One thing is name and another one is message. Second one, print of name and name, this one. So this prints the name value, this is fine. And this one, third one, print message comma message. So whatever I have written, this prints the message value, we know this one. So this what it does, line number 8, greet message equals welcome to Python and name equals Bharadwaj, whatever I have given. This calls the greet function using keyword arguments in any order. We can make use of it in any order, right? So first I'm using a message here, second I'm using name here. Order doesn't matter here, right? So this is fine. So let me run this one. So I'll just give here Python. So let me take the name. Just give me a second here. Yeah, dot py. So here we are getting the name Bharadwaj and message welcome to Python, right? So welcome to Python. So I said it uh, in a different order, right? So welcome to Python Bharadwaj. So we are getting message welcome to Python, message welcome to Python, name Bharadwaj and message welcome to Python. So this is fine. So message, I'll make this one. I'll just give here colon as well. So now just run this one. So this looks good. That's it. So name Bharadwaj, message we are getting welcome to Python, right? So this is fine. We are getting the expected output one. So basically, we are done with the keyword arguments. So let me summarize what we have learned so far. So keyword arguments allows us to specify function arguments using the parameters name. In this case, it is name and message, right? So keyword arguments allows us to specify function arguments using the parameter names, improving the code clarity and flexibility, right? So this thing we have to keep in mind. So we are done with the keyword arguments part. Next we will be discussing on the default arguments, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.